Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in this video, we are going to talk about Alinea Invest, whether it is worth it for you or not. So Alinea Invest is an investing app designed primarily for beginners. It is focused on theme investing, guided portfolios, and providing a simple mobile experience, rather than offering advanced trading features like professional platforms. The main idea behind Alinea Invest is to make investing feel less complicated for people who are just starting out. Instead of overwhelming beginners with thousands of stocks, complicated charts, and technical analysis tools, it tries to simplify the process by allowing users to invest based on ideas, interests, and themes. So you will need to note that it's an app designed for iPhone only. It's not available on Android or PC yet. So if you have an iPhone, you will be able to use it for now at least. It's because it's available only on iPhone. This is something important to consider because your device compatibility can determine whether the platform is convenient for you. If you prefer managing investments from a desktop computer or you use an Android phone, this limitation may be a disadvantage. And is it worth it? Of course, it is worth it if you are new to investing, if you want just a simple application, or if you would like investing in themes and basically created portfolios. And maybe if you don't need advanced charting or active trading tools. For example, if you are someone who wants to start investing but feels confused about choosing individual companies, Alinea Invest can make the process easier by giving you organized investment ideas. It can be useful for people who want a more guided experience instead of making every decision completely by themselves. But is it worth it for you? It would not be worth it if you want some advanced stock analysis, and if you day trade basically frequently, and if you need some complex order types. Of course, also it will not be worth for you if you want professional-grade research tools. For example, experienced traders who rely on detailed financial reports, technical indicators, real-time market analysis, or advanced trading strategies may find the platform too limited. Alinea Invest is not designed to replace professional trading platforms. Its goal is simplicity, because Alinea's main selling point is making investing easier for beginners through guided investing themes and portfolios. As you can see here on their main website, the message is focused on encouraging people to start investing, rather than leaving their money sitting in savings accounts. The idea behind this is that over time, inflation can reduce the purchasing power of money that is not growing. Basically, the main feature of this website is theme investing, which means instead of researching or searching through thousands of stocks individually, you can browse themes such as AI, clean energy, technology, as an example, or even healthcare. This can be helpful because many investors are interested in certain industries or trends, but may not know which companies to choose. A theme-based approach allows investors to explore multiple companies connected to a specific idea. Of course, they do have also like fractional shares, but you don't always need enough money to buy a full share. You can invest smaller amounts of mini stocks if you want to. Fractional shares are especially useful for beginners because some popular companies have expensive stock prices. Instead of needing hundreds or thousands of dollars to buy one full share, you can start with a smaller amount and gradually build your investment. Of course, if you are looking to invest in something specific, you have some specific criteria, or you don't want to invest in, for example, specific stocks. Maybe you have some principles to follow. For example, some investors may prefer companies focused on environmental responsibility, technology innovation, healthcare improvements, or other personal values. Having clear investing principles can help you decide what types of investments match your goals. Of course, you can make your search about what you're investing in first. Then you can go and invest in those stocks or not. It's always important to understand what you are investing in before putting your money into it. Even if an app makes investing easier, you should still learn about the companies, industries, and risks involved. So, for the research, you'll have to do it on your own, as I said, because it doesn't have many research tools that you can use to search. For example, if this is good for me to invest, or if this is aligned with my principles, as any person you are. This means Alinea Invest can be a useful starting point, but you should not completely rely on the app to make investment decisions for you. Doing your own research and understanding your own financial goals is still an important part of becoming a successful investor.